Hey guys, we're gonna do the JOY FETTI cake you sent us. Okay, first things what you need is a bowl, a tray to not get messy, some oil, water, and 3 eggs. And wicks and spatula and tray with cupcake tins. Okay, let's get started. First, get the bowl, get the powder, and then use scissors to cut it open. Now get water and then pour. Now get your oil and then you mix. Now, when somebody is mixing, one person will add, one person would add 1 egg. 1 egg. Only one. Okay. And then they mix again. One by one. 나도 믹싱 해야지. And then I will add 1 more egg. You keep mixing, okay? Okay. 부셔. Like that. 부셔. And then mix. Now, the last egg, we need rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper, shoot. Okay, I win. Okay. Okay. Dude. Now we mix it up. Now let's change. Now you can really see the confetti. Okay. Now we are going to put it in the tin. So okay, get the tin and a basket. You don't need that. You just need a spatula. Okay, 1 at each time. I'll go first. Get the cupcake tin. Now your turn. Okay, on your turn. No, don't pour. Scoop, and then wait, and then pour here. Like that. Okay, now my turn. A scoop, and then pour. Owen turn. Come on. I'll just give you a scoop. Poured. Okay, and my turn. Scoop. Wait. Okay. 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 Now we're going to let this in the oven. Let's go. Thank you for giving us the cupcake mix and other stuff. We're gonna do the other stuff next time. But thank you, and we're gonna taste them. Yay! This one. Spin them. Let's taste them. Let's taste them. It has confetti. It's really good. And it's really colorful and pretty. What do you think?
It was yummy.
Thank you. Bye.